What if I told you your entire life could change, not in a year, not in a month, but one quiet habit at a time? These 10 daily habits didn't just improve my life, they rebuilt me. 1. Rise before the world, wake up before the noise, before the scroll. In that silence, I meet myself. That's where clarity lives, where purpose begins. 2. Win the first battle, making my bed. This sounds simple, right? But it's not about neatness, it's about momentum. Start your day with one small victory and then you'll chase bigger ones. 3. Conquer comfort, a cold shower, 60 seconds of shock. It trains my mind to say, I can handle this. If I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. 4. Walk without distraction. No phone, no music, just steps and silence. That's where my best ideas are born, and in the quiet between my thoughts. 5. 1 hour of deep work, no tabs, no phone, just brutal focus. 1 true hour of creation beats 10 hours of distraction. 6. Train the body, forge the mind. Every rep, every set, every burn. It's not just strength training, it's mental armor. Iron sharpens everything. 7. Feed the mind. 10 pages a day. That's all it takes to rewire your brain. I stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. 8. Journal the truth. Some days it's messy, some days it's deep, but every word is honest because the page never lies. 9. Keep one promise to yourself, even a small one. You build self-trust the same way you build muscle, by showing up every single day. 10. Remember, no one's coming to save you, and that's not depressing. It's powerful. Because when you realize you are the rescue plan, you finally take control. These 10 habits didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking small wins, building identity, evolving in silence. Because the loudest transformations happen quietly.